seat, my sweet. Want me to bring you out some breakfast? Want to have breakfast outside? No. Right, anyway. Whoa, coming down super hard, little bud. Wow. Look at that. Pretty awesome. Oh, loving this. Look at him, he's loving it. JJ loves it. He's loving what he sees. Sunday morning, what is today? Sunday, right? Sunday morning. Waking up to a big old storm, so we decided to come outside and watch it. Great, love it. Oh, I'm sitting here thunder. Maybe lightning. Haunted mansion at home, yeah. I do like haunted mansion at home. That is true.
Haunted mansion holiday.
Yeah, haunted mansion holiday. Is that the one you want to see, the holiday one, or the regular one? Regular one, okay.
Holiday one.
What?
Single one.
Right, okay. I'll give you one. Haunted mansion's not real. Not real. Funny boy. Boy, the water's starting to come up over the top here a little bit. Starting to. Want to go touch the rain? Feel it? Want to go feel it? I'll let you. Look, kind of cold rain. Ugh, cold. That means the pool is probably going to be really cold with that water going in it. You're watching Haunted Mansion. Which one are you watching? The Christmas one? You're watching the Christmas Haunted Mansion. The rain kind of cold today? What do you think about the whole thing, bud? A lot more rain than yesterday, huh?
No, today.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his
Getting a little bit wet.
nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep
Yesterday was Saturday.
Yesterday was Saturday. Yep, you're right. Absolutely right. Feels nice outside right now, right? It's cool. Cooled down a lot today.
Very full.
Yeah, it is very full. It's getting fuller and fuller, huh? Maybe rain will go away and we can swim after a while or later tonight or whatever.
rain, 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 rain. The tears keep coming down. I haven't seen my baby. Left it down.
Yesterday was Thursday.
Another rainy day. Get a lot of rainy days, aren't we? We still want to go somewhere today? Stay home in the rain. Stay home and watch the rain.
So many raindrops, it feels like raindrops falling from my eye.
He's a happy boy. Are you happy in the rain? We definitely do not want to get hit by lightning, pup. That'd be the worst shock ever. It hurt. Make you start smoking. You're too young to smoke. Enjoying feeling the rain coming down on you. Alright, that's enough, bud.
Still July.
It is still July. Yep, for a few more days. Still got a few more days in July.
Happy August.
Coming. Spinning your spinner.
Please. Come,
It's okay. You're outside. You're just
Dad,
playing.
just take your.
You want it off? Are you gonna get wet again? You want it off, Joe?
Just put it somewhere where it'll get dry so you can put it back on maybe.
Oh, you stick it to baby. Bum 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 bum. What? Cuddly. What a cuddly bug.
What do you want to eat?
Chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget? Alright. I'll make them, okay?
I'm super hungry.
You're super hungry. Hey, just leave your iPad. Don't take your iPad out to the rain. It'll be ruined, okay? So, I'm trusting you here. You want your pillow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of a pool, huh? Be careful. Is it slippery? Don't fall down. A little bit slippery, I think. I think that's the most water I've ever seen there.
House.
Yeah, haunted house. Haunted
Like
mansion.
your box.
Yeah.
Turn it. Nah.
Okay, let me go finish up your food, buddy. It's almost done. Does that look okay, or you want nuggets? You like drumsticks? They're hot. Do you want me to cut them up, or you want to eat them like that? Cut them up, okay. Let me go inside. Go and swing for a while. Are you gonna watch it while you're swinging? You're cute. You're cute, little bud. Got your belly filled up?
The back is black. It's black. Bag
The bag?
is black.
Yes.
It's black.
That's a JJ's black toy. It's always been your black toy, huh? Your whole life.
Won't turn white. Won't.
No, it won't. We're giving you a chance to go in the pool if you want to. Before the rain comes again.
Shush. Grand pool.
No, don't. That's a dirty pool. Don't go in that pool. That's a dirty pool there. Go in the clean pool.
Go ahead.
Throw you in? Throwing you in?
Oh.
Throw the black toy in?
Hang up.
There you go. Go on, unicorn.
Yeah.
Go on, unicorn. Go swim. Go on, unicorn, with the black toy on it. Oh, there he goes. All right. How's the water feel? Is it kind of cold or is it warm?
Cold.
Is it cold? Yeah. I just took all the leaves out and there are already leaves in it.
It's raining on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me. I'm feeling like I'm up in the clouds. It's raining on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me. No, I love it when the rain falls down. It's raining on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on. I'm feeling like I'm up in the clouds. It's raining on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on. You know I love it when the rain falls down. It's raining on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on. I'm feeling like I'm up in the clouds. It's raining on me, on me, on me, on me, on me. Let the rain fall down.
The horn?
Corn.
Unicorn, yes.
I'm gonna try. I want it back. You love it back?
Yeah, you love it? Are you loving your bag? You loving your bag, you cutie pie.
Yummy, yum, yum. Hey, cake.
Don't eat it.
Cake.
Yuck.
But shut up. Mom. Hang on your head.
Get on my hands, huh? There you go.
Oh, comes. Oh, it comes.
It's raining on me, on me, on me, on me, on me.
Never thought that a black bag would make him so happy.
We're on a trip. I'm gonna take back to you.
Yeah, we will take it with us.
Toothbrush on it.
Okay, toothbrush. What else you want to put in it?
Put toothbrush on it.
What else? I think we'll get you probably a new one. I don't think we're going to actually take this one. We'll get you a new one, put toothbrush in and toothpaste and comb and whatever else. Deodorant.
It's not a toy.
Well, this one right here is your toy. You can have this as a toy. This one's JJ's toy.
New one, not a toy.
Yeah, if we get a new one, it won't be a toy, okay? We'll get you a new one that you can put your stuff in and we go on a trip. If we ever go on a trip. Had enough pool for a little while? Got a swing and happy swing. Is today a happy Sunday?
Saturday.
Oh, stop. Say happy Sunday.
Happy Saturday. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Yes, it's super happy. Thank you for watching JJ's Autistic Journey.